Hi guys, my name is Xander. For my project, I will be comparing how pennies interact with different cleaning solutions, including soap and water, toothpaste, and vinegar and salt. I personally believe that the salt and vinegar solution will probably clean the penny the best, but I guess we'll see. The first step in the process will be grabbing the four pennies, one for each solution and one to leave without any solution so we can see the difference, and putting them in cups. So here's my penny without any solution. Here's my penny with the salt and vinegar solution. And here's the one with the soap and water solution. And lastly, we're going to be putting the toothpaste on the penny. Okay, do both sides. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it in here. Alright. So it is currently 5:33 p.m. I'm gonna leave them in the cups for 10 minutes to kind of let them, I guess, simmer. I'll check back in at 5:43. And here are the pennies sitting in their solutions. Now we can pour out the salt and vinegar. This is me wiping the toothpaste off. I'm honestly not really expecting this one to have much of a difference. I'm a little worried. I feel like since the toothpaste is charcoal, it's gonna make the pennies look a little dirtier, but I guess we'll see. And then this is me pouring out the soap and water mixture. It's looking pretty clean. Okay, so for the ending, I have paper towel so I can wipe it off. This is for the soap. Feel like the salt and vinegar, from what I've seen, I feel that's the most clean so far. So here's the soap. Like, this looks pretty clean. And then here's the salt and vinegar. And then here's the salt and vinegar one. This definitely looks the cleanest out of all of them. Alright, and here's the toothpaste one. Honestly, I feel like this looks the most dirty still, like I expected, but I'm gonna put in some pictures to see. Here we have a final picture of all of the pennies cleaned by the separate solutions. The one all the way to the left is the salt and vinegar solution. The one next to that is the soap and water, as well as the penny cleaned by the toothpaste. And of course, the penny that wasn't touched at all. In conclusion, the penny that looked the cleanest was the penny that was cleaned by salt and vinegar. My hypothesis was correct. I feel if anything, the toothpaste honestly made the penny dirtier, but it also could have been because it is a charcoal toothpaste. I just feel like it looked a little bit more brown. The soap and water solution penny came in a close second though, followed by the penny that wasn't cleaned by anything, which honestly looked clean to begin with. All in all, this experiment was really fun. I learned that vinegar and salt is a really good cleaning solution, and I will be using it more in future references, especially when it comes to cleaning the kitchen. It honestly reminded me how harmful our chemicals are that we use for our basic cleaning solutions like 409 or or Clorox. I see myself using vinegar and baking soda a lot more in the future after seeing how good of a job it did cleaning the pennies.